Hey everyone! What's up everyone? It's your name, and taking care of your pearly whites is super important. Not just for a bright smile, but for your overall health. We all know we need to brush our teeth, but are you making any common mistakes that could actually be harming your teeth? In this video, we're going to dive into the 10 most common toothbrushing mistakes you need to avoid. We'll talk about why these habits are bad and, more importantly, what you should be doing instead to keep that smile shining bright. Let's get right into it. You might think you need to scrub your teeth like you're cleaning grout, but that's actually doing more harm than good. Many people believe that the harder they brush, the cleaner their teeth will be. However, this is a common misconception that can lead to serious dental issues. Brushing too hard can actually wear down your enamel, the protective outer layer of your teeth. Enamel is crucial for maintaining the health and strength of your teeth. Without it, your teeth are vulnerable to a host of problems. Think of enamel like the armor of your teeth. It shields them from decay and damage. When you brush too aggressively, you strip away this vital layer, leaving your teeth exposed to harmful bacteria and acids. Once it's gone, and you become more susceptible to cavities and sensitivity. Cavities can form more easily, and you might find that your teeth become sensitive to hot and cold foods and drinks. Plus, aggressive brushing can irritate your gums, causing them to recede and potentially even leading to gum disease. Gum recession is not only unsightly, but can also lead to more serious dental issues if left untreated. So, how do you know if you're brushing too hard? One telltale sign is a toothbrush with bristles that are frayed or bent out of shape. If your toothbrush looks worn out after just a few weeks, it's a clear indication that you're applying too much pressure. Another sign is if your gums feel tender or bleed easily after brushing. Healthy gums should not bleed during regular brushing. If they do, it's a sign that you need to be gentler. Instead of a back and forth sawing motion, use a gentle, circular motion. This technique is not only more effective at cleaning your teeth, but also much kinder to your gums and enamel. Imagine you're massaging your teeth and gums, not scrubbing them. This approach helps to remove plaque and food particles without causing damage. And remember, a soft bristled toothbrush is your best friend. Hard bristles can be too abrasive and cause more harm than good. It's effective at removing plaque and debris without being too abrasive. Soft bristles are designed to be gentle on your gums and enamel while still providing a thorough clean. So next time you brush, take it easy. Your teeth and gums will thank you for it. A gentle touch goes a long way in maintaining your oral health. By adopting these simple changes, you can protect your enamel, keep your gums healthy, and ensure a brighter, healthier smile for years to come. Time for a little honesty hour. How many of you are guilty of rushing through your brushing routine? Maybe you're in a hurry to get to work, or perhaps you're just too tired at night. We get it, life gets busy. But those 2 minutes twice a day are crucial for maintaining good oral hygiene. It's easy to overlook, but those few minutes can make a world of difference. When you don't brush for long enough, you're not giving yourself enough time to remove all the plaque and food particles that accumulate throughout the day. These particles can hide in the crevices of your teeth and gums. This can lead to plaque buildup, bad breath, and eventually cavities. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that loves to cling to your teeth, and if not removed, it can harden into tartar, which is even harder to get rid of. Think of it this way. You wouldn't just give your car a quick rinse and call it a day, right? A quick splash of water won't remove the grime and dirt that's built up over time. You take the time to wash it thoroughly to remove all the dirt and grime. You'd probably even wax it to give it that extra shine. Your teeth deserve the same level of care and attention. They are, after all, the first thing people notice about you. Set a timer on your phone. Make it a part of your daily routine. Put on your favorite song and make brushing a fun activity. It doesn't have to be a chore, or invest in an electric toothbrush with a built-in timer. These can be a game changer, ensuring you brush for the right amount of time. Whatever it takes, make sure you're brushing for a full 2 minutes, twice a day, every single day. Your smile will thank you, and so will your dentist. A healthy smile is a confident smile. So, take those extra minutes and give your teeth the care they deserve. Chapter 3. Choosing the right toothbrush. It's not one size fits all. Walking down the oral care aisle can feel overwhelming with the endless options of toothbrushes. From manual to electric, from soft to hard bristles, the choices seem endless. But choosing the right toothbrush is crucial for effective cleaning. It's not just about picking any brush. It's about finding one that suits your specific dental needs. Using the wrong toothbrush can actually make it harder to reach all the nooks and crannies of your mouth, leaving plaque and food particles behind. This can lead to cavities, gum disease, and other oral health issues. It's like trying to clean your entire house with just a broom. You need the right tools for the job. Just as you wouldn't use a broom to clean your windows, you shouldn't use an ill-suited toothbrush for your teeth. So, what should you look for in a good toothbrush? There are several factors to consider. First and foremost, always opt for soft bristles. Hard bristles can damage your gums and enamel over time. Remember, we're aiming for gentle cleaning, not enamel erosion. Soft bristles are effective at removing plaque without being too harsh on your teeth and gums. The size and shape of the brush head are also important. A smaller head can reach areas that a larger head might miss. Choose a brush head that can comfortably reach all areas of your mouth, including the back of your molars. This ensures that every part of your mouth gets the attention it needs. If you have braces, implants, or other dental work, talk to your dentist about specific toothbrush recommendations. Specialized brushes can make a big difference in maintaining your oral health. They can help you find the best option for your individual needs. Remember, your dentist is a valuable resource in your quest for the perfect toothbrush. Don't hesitate to ask for their advice. Additionally, consider whether a manual or electric toothbrush is better for you. Electric toothbrushes can provide a more thorough clean with less effort, especially for those with limited dexterity. Ultimately, the right toothbrush can make a significant difference in your oral hygiene routine, leading to a healthier, brighter smile. Chapter 4. Don't forget your tongue. Banishing bad breath and bacteria. You've brushed your teeth, but what about that tongue of yours? Believe it or not, your tongue is a breeding ground for bacteria, which can contribute to bad breath and even affect the overall health of your mouth. Think about it. Your tongue is constantly coming into contact with food and drinks, and those tiny bumps and crevices on its surface can trap bacteria. By neglecting to brush your tongue, you're essentially leaving a welcome mat out for those odor-causing microbes. Brushing your tongue is a simple yet effective way to freshen your breath and remove bacteria. You can use your regular toothbrush or a tongue scraper, which is specifically designed for this purpose. Gently scrape your tongue from back to front, rinsing your brush or scraper after each pass. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your oral hygiene routine. Chapter 5. Out with the old. Why replacing your toothbrush matters. You wouldn't keep using the same sponge to clean your dishes for months on end, would you? The same principle applies to your toothbrush. Over time, the bristles become frayed and worn out, making them less effective at removing plaque and debris. A worn-out toothbrush is also more likely to harbour bacteria, which can be transferred to your mouth during brushing. Not exactly the kind of bacteria you want hanging around your pearly whites. The American Dental Association recommends replacing your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, or sooner if the bristles become frayed. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your oral health. Mark it on your calendar, set a reminder on your phone, or sign up for a subscription service that delivers fresh toothbrushes to your doorstep. Whatever it takes, make sure you're giving your toothbrush the retirement it deserves. Brush up on your habits. So there you have it, the 10 most common toothbrushing mistakes, and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Remember, taking care of your teeth and gums is an investment in your overall health and well-being. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can ensure that you're brushing effectively and keeping your smile healthy and bright for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more dental hygiene tips and tricks. See you in the next one.